देखिए, मैंने 2 क्वेश्चन आपको भेजा है, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन लेटर का ही, इसमें आंसर नहीं है, इसको आपको खुद से लिखना है। अभी तक इससे पहले जो भेजे थे सब में आंसर के साथ था आप, और ये वाले जो 2 क्वेश्चन है इनमें आंसर नहीं है, तो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द आंसर एंड द टॉपिक्स आर वेरी इजी। और एक जो आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे वाला था उसमें आप अपना हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस मेंशन कर लेंगे सारनाथ, जिससे कि थोड़ा वो चेंज हो जाए। Now we have the next chapter which we have already discussed, that is the second chapter of this book. The thief's story. Anyone will tell me some idea about this lesson today?
Sir, may I?
So may I?
One by one, in your own word you can share. लेटर का काम आप समझ गए ना, क्या करना है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं ना है?
No, sir.
लेटर कैसे लिखना है, और जो मैंने क्वेश्चन भेजा है 2 उसको करेंगे, और एक जो आर्कियोलॉजिकल वाला लेटर था इसके पहले वाला, उसमें आप का प्लेस जो है वो सारनाथ होगा, वो मेंशन कर लीजिएगा।
सर,
हाँ जी।
सर वो कह रहे थे कि टर्म 1 ऑप्शनल होगा, तो उसमें लेटर कैसे आएगा?
नहीं, टर्म 1 ऑप्शनल नहीं होगा, टर्म 1 होगा फिजिकल, स्कूल में आके। इसीलिए तो इसमें सिलेबस बढ़ा दिया है कि जब सिचुएशन नॉर्मल होगी तभी लेंगे। अभी ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ऑप्शनल होगा नहीं। इसी में से जो फर्स्ट यूनिट टेस्ट होगा, एक टेस्ट होगा, वो भले ऑप्शनल हो जाए, लेकिन हम तो टर्म 1 की तैयारी कर रहे हैं फिजिकल की, ऑफलाइन। और जो टेस्ट होंगे वो ऑनलाइन होंगे। यदि ऑफलाइन एग्जाम नहीं हो पाया किसी कारण से, तो 3 टेस्ट होंगे ऑनलाइन। तो हम तैयारी करेंगे ऑफलाइन की, 3 टेस्ट ऑनलाइन होंगे। तो फिर यदि नहीं हो पाया टर्म 1, तो 3 टेस्ट हम देंगे ऑनलाइन, उसमें ऑप्शनल होगा। लेकिन अभी तो ये मान के चलिए कि सिचुएशन कंट्रोल में है, तो मे बी स्कूल खुल जाए नेक्स्ट मंथ में। कुछ ऐसा आए कि 9th 11th 12th खुलेगा, और शिफ्ट वाइज या बैच वाइज जैसे पिछले बार हुआ था, तो कुछ ऐसा प्लान आ सकता है। तो वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दैट, एंड इफ इट विल बी फेल्ड then we will the option of online multiple choice, and if it will be possible then it will be offline. You have to come to school in a batch, in a group, to appear in the exam. Maybe not all the students will come together. Maybe you will get your allotment of the days, that first day from 1 to 25, yeah, 1 to 50 will come, then 51 to 100 will come. This way, maybe the test will manage, the first term exam will manage. Because this year, government was totally puzzled to make the result of class 10th. It was a terrific job. It was a very difficult job for everyone to make the result without exam. It is just a kind of hard and homework that we are preparing the result without appearing in the exam. It's a very difficult job, because you can't justify anyone without taking exam whether who is the best, who is the good, and who is the better. So examination is compulsory. So government this time preparing that if pandemic will continue and the board exam will not be held, then
दे देना.
these kind of exams, first term exam, test, all will help you to allot your marks. So this is my advice to you all.
अरे वो
मेरा ये
बॉक्स दबा.
सभी को, साक्षी म्यूट योर माइक प्लीज. सभी को मेरा ये एडवाइस है टू एवरीवन दैट जितने भी होम एग्जाम है, पेपर में भी था, आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा, संडे के दैनिक जागरण में निकला था कि जितने भी होम एग्जाम्स होंगे, चाहे वो टेस्ट हो, चाहे हाफ ईयरली हो, चाहे प्री बोर्ड हो, चाहे जो हो, दैट आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइट नाउ. डोंट टेक देम लाइटली, डोंट टेक देम लाइटली प्लीज, नहीं तो बहुत दिक्कत हो जाएगी. मैंने बताया था, मैं ऐसे कई बच्चों को जानता हूं, अपने स्कूल में 10th में थे इस साल, जो बहुत अच्छा कर सकते थे, लेकिन उन्होंने प्री बोर्ड को बहुत कैजुअली दिया, इतना कैजुअली दिया जैसे घूमने आए हैं, एकदम लाइटली. प्री बोर्ड लाइटली दिया और एग्जाम जो है हाफ ईयरली को भी लाइट, कॉपी तक नहीं देखने आए प्री बोर्ड. नतीजा जब रिजल्ट बन रहा है तो परेशान है कि हम तो सर प्री बोर्ड के बेसिस पे तो बनेगा, तो हम तो प्री बोर्ड बहुत अच्छा नहीं दिया. कुछ ने तो छोड़ दिया, कोई गांव पे था, कोई कहीं था, कोई कहीं था, ये कह के छोड़ दिया कि हम नहीं आए, हमको क्या पता इसी से रिजल्ट बनेगा. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं, आप ये जानते नहीं है कि आपका एक्सीडेंट होगा कि नहीं होगा, लेकिन फिर भी आप हेलमेट लगाते हैं ना बाइक चलाते समय या स्कूटी. फॉर सेफ्टी वी आर डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, so we must do it without thinking whether it is required or not. You have to appear in the exam very seriously. Think that these exams are your exams. Exams means annual exams, board exams. Don't take it lightly कि half yearly है, test है, तो प्री बोर्ड है, तो हम दूसरा प्री बोर्ड दे देंगे. एक प्री बोर्ड दीजिए, खूब अच्छा दीजिए, 100 आउट ऑफ 100 स्कोर करने की कोशिश करिए. 80 आउट ऑफ 80 स्कोर करेंगे, तब जाके जो ये सिचुएशन है इस समय पेंडेमिक की, इसमें कहीं यदि आया मौका तो आपको बहुत फायदा होगा. लेकिन यदि आप ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो फिर सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको नुकसान होगा. तो कोई भी एग्जाम बहुत ही, दैनिक जागरण न्यूज़पेपर मैंने पढ़ा परसों संडे के में लिखा है कि होम एग्जाम्स को बच्चे बहुत सीरियसली दे, नहीं तो उनका बहुत नुकसान हो रहा है. कहीं ना कहीं से ये बात है, हर स्कूलों में है, अपने यहाँ ही नहीं ये प्रॉब्लम थी, हर जगह यही है कि बच्चे बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं कि चलो ठीक है दे देंगे दे देंगे, और उसका नतीजा ये है कि अब स्थिति बहुत बिगड़ गई है. ऐसे बच्चे हैं हमारे पास जो 100 आउट ऑफ 100 ला सकते हैं, लेकिन हम उनको दे नहीं पा रहे हैं 95 से ऊपर, क्योंकि उनका परफॉर्मेंस जो है होम एग्जाम में या इसमें प्री बोर्ड में वो ऐसा है कि हम उनको दे ही नहीं पा रहे हैं. हम जानते हैं कि ये बच्चा यदि बोर्ड में अपीयर हुआ होता देता 100 में तो 99 ले आता, लेकिन जो परफॉर्मेंस हमारे हाथ में है हम उसको कैसे इग्नोर करते हैं. और भी ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो नीचे की, मतलब लोअर लेवल के बच्चे हैं, वो भी बहुत गलत, उनका भी बहुत नुकसान हो रहा है. जो वही है कि हम विदाउट प्रिपरेशन आप बैठ गए एग्जाम में बिना सोचे समझे. ऐसे बहुत बच्चे हैं जो विदाउट प्रिपरेशन बैठ गए, उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है कि कैसे, कितना ये सीरियस एग्जाम है क्या है. कोई, खैर हम भी या आप भी या कोई नहीं जानता था कि ये तुम बेस बन जाएगा बोर्ड के एग्जाम का. अब तो बच्चे सिर्फ परेशान ही हो रहे हैं बेचारे. अब उनकी भी गलती क्या कहे और अपनी भी गलती में क्या कहे. हम तो यही एक एग्जाम्पल बताएंगे कि भाई हम ये जानते नहीं कि हमें कब इसकी जरूरत पड़ जाए है, लेकिन फिर भी हर आदमी को चाहिए ना कि हर समय सेफ्टी फीचर्स के साथ रहे. उसको जरूरत पड़ती है कि नहीं पड़ती, वो दैट डजंट मैटर. इसलिए आप अपनी सेफ्टी इसी में है कि हर एग्जाम को बहुत सिंसियरली दीजिए. ये नहीं सोचना है कि हमारा इससे क्या आगे यूज क्या नहीं है. यस, नाउ हु विल एक्सप्लेन द लेसन टुडे प्लीज.
Sir,
Which
may I
girl?
explain?
Yes.
Okay. There was a 15-year-old boy named Hari Singh who was a thief. He met a, matlab, there is another person also known as Anil who is 25-year-old. He is very easygoing and very kind. Hari Singh was a very successful thief. So he went to Anil for doing his flattery so that he could get in his home. He did, and he went in his home. Anil trusted very much, and Anil told him that if you know how to cook, then I will give you something to eat. So Hari Singh did not know how to cook, but he still said yes. So when Hari Singh cooked something that was made very terrible, and Anil had to give it to stray dogs. But Anil still did not tell anything to Hari. On that place, he told Hari Singh that he will teach him how to cook and also teach him how to write sentences and add numbers. And he trusted him very much, and he was very kind. This showed that. Uh, he told Hari Singh everything, and Hari Singh used to make tea in the morning and shop the household things from outside. Anil, from there he saved 1 rupees, which he gave to himself. And knew that Anil knows that he uses to take 1 rupees to him, but still don't used to say anything. One day, when Anil earned something by writing the magazines and selling it to publisher, there was a bundle of notes what Anil earned, and he put it under his mattress. Hari Singh, when came to know about that, he thought that he did not stole anything from last 1 month, so he must have to do so. So Hari Singh took the money from under his mattress, and he thought of catching the train which was going to Lucknow. So he went on the train station, but because of the hesitation whether he must have to destroy the trust of Anil, he was not able to catch the train. And also there started raining and there was very cold weather. The money also got wet. Then Hari Singh thought that there he knows no one other than Anil. So he again went to Anil's house and thought that he was losing very good opportunity of knowing how to write the sentences, add numbers. He will also told to tell him cooking, and also he trusts him very much by thinking about these things. He again went to Anil's house and put the money under his mattress and and slept. When Anil woke up, he gave him a cup of tea and also 50 rupees, which were wet. So Hari Singh got the idea that Anil knew that he theft the money, but still he did not tell anything to Hari Singh. On that place, Anil was always kind to him and used to tell him everything that he told.
Okay. One more was trying to say something. Any other? One boy told that I can explain. Okay. And now, just I am telling you about this. The gist today. We will read line by line tomorrow. That the story is very interesting about the theft. About there are two characters in the story. Not means you can say that number of characters are there. Only two. One is the thief himself, whose name is Hari Singh. He's a boy, 10-year-old. Second one is the owner, Anil Singh, who kept as a servant to this boy unwillingly because of the financial. And this boy was a thief, but this story says us, it reveals the fact that we are trying, if we give chance to someone, that can change his or her life. In the story, Anil Singh was a large-hearted person. He knew this fact that the boy is a thief, but as the story tells us in the end, the boy himself came back along with money, put the money under the mattress. This shows that the boy is not happy with his decision of taking money. He is unhappy and he is, you know, that whatever he did is wrong. He already understood this fact. That's why he came back. So seeing this, the Anil Singh gave the chance to the Hari to reform himself, to change himself. Although he may call the police and hand over this boy to police because the boy has taken money. But Anil Singh was not in favor of this. He wanted to um, kill the habit of Hari Singh. Not he wanted to do anything with Hari Singh. He knew that this is just because of bad habits, bad company, whatever is there. The reason that the boy is in the age of 15 years, he is doing this kind of wrong activity. So he wanted to just get rid of this child by these activities. So he gave another chance to the boy to change himself. This is very inspiring story, and one should do this fact. It is a risky work that we are giving chance to a thief once again, and maybe that thief will cause more damage to you, but sometime it will be good for someone. So we will read this story tomorrow line by line. And today you have to complete your copy work, which I sent you, the letter and writing section. And then after we'll start some other things. Ready with your book tomorrow. We will start the book tomorrow in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day to all. We will meet tomorrow in the next class. Yes?
Sir, will we have to write the grammar section along with the writing section, or we have to write it separately?
The writing section was not a big enough. It was very small. Only letter was there, which I completed today. And the sample of the letter I have sent you. This is the first term writing section. There was only one topic. That was the letter, formal letter. So I have sent you all types of formal letters. Off and on, I will send you the practice question of letter. So you are supposed to write the letter in your copy and leave 4, 5 pages, 4, 5, 6 pages extra for the random work of letter further in future. Then after you can start your grammar work, in which you have to complete your tenses first, which I have already sent you. Second topic I have sent you, that is preposition. Although it is not the part of our syllabus, but if you have done it in your copy, it's very good. It is important for our speaking, learning and all. So preposition is a part of speaking English as well as writing English. So you are supposed to write that preposition in your copy. Then after I will send you modals. That is the next topic which you can do, which you will do in your copy. I will explain that along with the notes. So now you will complete your copy of writing section ready for the grammar.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So bye to everyone. We will meet tomorrow in the next class.